explain the advantage of banking the road surface of a racetrack using Newton's second law and the mechanics of uniform circular motion. So treating this car as a particle, which is travelling on a banked surface, well, the normal force acts normal to the surface, and the force of weight acts downwards, and the static friction force acts along the road surface. So if we resolve the normal force into vertical and horizontal components, and if we did the same with the friction force, which will look something like this, and if we recognize that these angles are equal to that of the banked surface, then what we get using Newton's second law is the static friction force cosine theta plus the component of the normal force in the horizontal direction, so that will be Fn sine theta, is equal to the mass of the car by the speed squared on the radius of the track. So as we can see, as theta goes to 0, which resembles a flat surface, then only the friction force is going to contribute to the centripetal acceleration. But in the general case where we have a banked road, then we can see that the normal force and the static friction force contribute to the centripetal acceleration. So consequently, the car can travel faster on a banked road.